Peace, family. What's happening? So we have today a 2007 Honda Pilot, and we're just gonna do a quick B service. So I have right here the excuse me, the B service B1, which is basically the vehicle's due for oil change. So we need to reset this. Oil has been changed. Time to reset it so that we're letting the computer know that the service has been done. It's pretty simple. I'm gonna turn the car off and turn the key on. You see where it says oil life? Well, I'm gonna try that one more time so you see it. Key off, key on, oil life, -3. So it's well past due, or well, it was well past due. So basically, I believe we hold this for about 10 seconds. Start the car. All right, we're gonna hold it. 1,000, 2,000. There we go. So now we're back to oil life at 100%. The wrench light is going off. I held it for 10 seconds, and then you saw the B service one, the B1 service, and the -300 something miles or whatever was flashing. Once that started flashing, I released it and then held it again for approximately 5 more seconds, and then it reset my oil life to 100%. So I'm Chris, this is Big Mav Auto. We just reset the oil light on here, so there's no lights on. Peace.